NestingWorks and EdgeWorks are two powerful software solutions designed to optimize woodworking processes. These tools, offered by NC Tools, cater to manufacturers looking to improve efficiency, reduce material waste, and achieve precise results in their cutting and fabrication operations. NestingWorks is a specialized tool that integrates seamlessly with SOLIDWORKS, focusing on the efficient nesting of parts. It arranges various shapes on a sheet or plate in the most optimized layout, ensuring minimal waste and maximum material utilization. This is particularly useful in woodworking, where efficient use of materials like plywood, MDF, or other wood products is crucial. The software's advanced algorithms take into account material type, part geometry, and manufacturing constraints, producing layouts that enhance production cycles and reduce costs. Features like automatic part-in-part nesting and multi-sheet nesting further enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of the manufacturing process. EdgeWorks, on the other hand, simplifies the creation of detailed, accurate edge banding programs, specifically tailored for woodworking. It facilitates the programming and management of edge banding machines, ensuring consistent, high-quality results. EdgeWorks includes a variety of features that further streamline the production process. For instance, it generates comprehensive manufacturing reports that encompass all necessary information, including material, thickness, sheet size, and edge banding details. Additionally, EdgeWorks allows for the creation and printing of separate labels for each part, simplifying identification and organization. The software also enhances the nesting process by allowing users to flip parts with a single click, accommodating machining features on the reverse side, and enabling precise part movement after nesting by specifying the desired amount. Furthermore, EdgeWorks automatically stamps part names for engraving, facilitating easy identification during production. Each layout can be saved as an individual DXF file, ensuring easy access and reuse for future projects. Together, NestingWorks and EdgeWorks provide a robust solution for woodworking manufacturers, enhancing both material utilization and operational efficiency across different stages of production.